everyone, welcome to CES 2025. We are at Econ Systems booth and we are showcasing our new Qualcomm's AGI box. So this is based out of QCS8550 chipset from Qualcomm, and we have made an Edge AI box which can plug in multiple cameras to several other interfaces. So let me show what we have for our demo. So we have here 4K GMSL cameras connected through the GMSL ports on the AGI box, and we also do have our Robotic Arms which are smart cameras that is also plugged into the same AGI box through an Ethernet interface. So here we are running different kinds of models. So here you can see there is an intrusion detection model running on one camera. Here is a tracking model, and here is a segmentation model, followed by a pose estimation model, which is saying your current pose and what if you're standing or sitting. And also these ML models are currently being run on the Edge AI board, so it has a NPU of 48 TOPS. So all these models are running about 24 FPS inside the Edge AI box. And as you can see, the detection models that are running over here, these are from the Robotic Arms, and these are running the detection models on chip in the Robotic Arms itself. So here we are trying to showcase that the AGI box can be typically used to connect multiple image sensors through several different interfaces like GMSL, Ethernet, and you can use it for many multi-camera applications that you might. For more information, visit our website and look out for DSOM 8550 AGI box. Think vision, think econ.